Hey party people, this is Zach from visionswell.com here with another clothing review. I've mentioned before my love for Wool&Prince. They make really amazing merino wool clothing. This has allowed me to pack more minimally and pack into a personal item only because you know I favor personal item only journeys. The reason that it allows me to pack more minimally is because they are intrinsically antimicrobial, odor resistant, quick drying, and moisture wicking, so that you could easily do sink laundry if they get stinky and wear them again the next day if they dry overnight. And you can also wear these for multiple days in a row without worrying about them getting stinky. That means that you can pack less clothes, and since clothes take up the bulk of what you're packing, it allows you to pack more minimally. So let's check out all four of these awesome items from Wool&Prince. First up, I have the Stretch Tech Chino. This is in the sage green color. And this one, instead of being merino wool, it is 48% wool and then a nylon, polyester, and elastane blend. It makes it really wrinkle resistant, really stretchy, really comfortable. This would work excellently as some travel pants, or also ones that you could wear to a nice dinner or a business meeting or on a date. And the stretchy, lightweight material means this is great for an all-weather pant, meaning you could wear this in the fall, the spring, the winter, the summer, and it wouldn't make you too hot or too cold, depending on what weather type you were dealing with. It has a straight fit. It's super wrinkle resistant, so even if you bunch it up and pull it back out, you don't see any wrinkle creases right away. On the right side pocket, you also have this little secure zipper pocket, which is a really nice place to put your wallet or passport or anything like cash that you don't want people having quick access to while they're walking by and maybe attempting to pickpocket you. Like I said, it's quick drying and moisture wicking. It's this great medium weight fabric. It feels stretchy, but it looks like khaki pants, so people wouldn't know that it's super stretchy upon first look. It feels very comfortable and soft, but heavy enough to keep you warm. They say it's made from their stretchiest pant fabric for extreme comfort. So I think the versatility of these pants and the way that they look means that they could fit in a variety of environments, a variety of weather types, and you could still look nice but have the functionality of a tech blend kind of pants that's a little bit more stretchy and comfortable. Wear it on the golf course, wear it to a dinner, wear it when you're traveling. You have a lot of options. Next up, I have the standard V-neck. It's their signature standard V-neck. And if you know me at all in real life, you know that I favor V-neck shirts. Reason being is I like to show off my chest hair a little, and I feel like a guy who's bald and bearded and a little bit bigger looks better with a V-neck shirt than he does with a crew neck. The crew necks tend to stretch out. I don't really like the way they look or show if you're wearing it as an undershirt. So I always favor V-necks, and this is a great little V-neck. This is the charcoal heather colorway. And these shirts are 78% merino and 22% nylon. And that blended nylon and the way they have it woven into the merino wool fabric gives it a lot more durability, makes it very shrink resistant. I've already mentioned I like the V-neck, and it's still just as antimicrobial and odor resistant as a 100% merino wool shirt. It's breathable, it's soft, but it's not too lightweight, so you could still wear this in fall or winter as an underlayer. But you could also wear it in a hot tropical environment and you wouldn't get too sweaty because it's very lightweight and comfortable. It's quick drying and moisture wicking like their other products. So if you needed to wear this for 2-3 days, this could be the one t-shirt you bring on your trip that you sleep in, wear around during the day, you're active in, leave it to hang up overnight and smell it. And if it's not stinky, you could wear it again. And if it is, just do some sink laundry and it should dry in a matter of hours because merino wool dries fairly quickly. So this is just a really nice little t-shirt here to add to your collection and could be the only t-shirt you bring on a personal item only journey, and you know you have that covered. Next up, you have the 210 button-down shirt in the dark blue Oxford colorway. This is a 100% merino wool button-down shirt that's long sleeve. And this is a heavier fabric, so it's great for fall and winter wear because it would definitely keep you warm. And even though it's made with 100% merino wool, they've done something to it where it has that texture of a classic Oxford shirt. So it doesn't feel weird, it doesn't feel scratchy. It feels just like it would feel to wear an Oxford shirt that's a little bit heavier weight. But then it's merino wool, so you have those antimicrobial, odor resistant, wrinkle resistant, and quick drying properties that you get with merino wool. This would be great to wear as just a shirt. You could always roll up the sleeves and wear it as a short sleeve button down. You could wear it as an outer layer, layer it with that t-shirt or other clothing, and it gives you a lot of versatility in your capsule wardrobe when you bring this with you. So this could be the sole button down that you bring with you. It could be a shirt jacket, it could be a shirt, a t-shirt, or just another layer you add to your layered look if you're in the fall or winter. So it's a really versatile piece, and I think it looks great. I love the color on it. The material is very heavyweight, durable, feels nice, feels like a nice Oxford, and I like button-down collars because they're super versatile. And the last thing I have is these Wool&Prince boxer briefs. These are 75% merino wool and 25% spandex blend. So they're very stretchy, but also merino wool. So you get the antimicrobial, odor-resistant properties. You get the wrinkle resistance. You get the quick drying. So if you needed to do sink laundry with this, obviously underwear, even with merino wool, you're not going to wear multiple days in a row. But just know that when you are wearing it, it's going to add a little bit of odor resistance. It's not going to get so stinky that you couldn't just do quick sink laundry and clean it up overnight. It's durable. I like that it has this pouch on the inside so that it provides a little bit of extra support for your boys down there. It's stretchy, it's soft, it's comfortable fabric. It has all the benefits of merino wool. The legs are stitched in a way so that they don't fold up on you and get annoying and kind of creep up your thigh. So that's really nice. And it's stitched with minimal seams so that you don't have all these little hard pieces pressing up against you on your underwear. So I think they're just a really versatile, nicely made pair of boxer briefs, and they're going to be a great one to add to my collection. So other than the boxer briefs, let's go ahead and try these on, and I can tell you exactly what they feel like, and you can see what they look like on me. So let's go check it out. And this is how the V-neck as well as the Stretch Tech Chino pants look on me. They feel absolutely amazing. I think that these pants are a great medium weight so that you can wear them year round. They're not too heavy, but they're not too light. I could wear this in the summer at a dinner on the beach. I could wear this out hiking. I could wear this on an airplane. I could wear this in a winter destination, going out to dinner in the cold. And I just think they're really comfortable, versatile pants, and they feel really nice on me. They feel great. The pockets feel nice. It feels durable. They're comfortable. And I think they look really nice. The fit is great on me. It's not too loose, even though it's straight leg. I usually prefer tapered. But these work really well for me, and they work well with these shoes. So I think this outfit would work well. And then the shirt itself is so soft. Like I could roll this shirt up and sleep on it. This is such a soft, wonderful shirt. And I love the V-neck. It fits me really nicely. I think it lays well on me where it doesn't bunch up too weirdly or anything. And the sleeves are the right size. They're the right width. They're not too long, not too short. I really like the feeling of this material. The color looks really nice with the charcoal heather. And I just think overall, this is just such a great V-neck shirt, and it's super versatile, and it may be one of the only shirts that I bring when I do personal item only travel. I have the ones from Unbound Merino, and I have some other Wool&Prince Henleys. So I think bringing one or maybe two of these shirts on a week-long trip and you would be covered. So I absolutely love merino wool for that reason, and these might become my new travel pants because they're absolutely great. And this is the merino wool button down, the 210 button down in the Oxford blue. It's heavy enough, but not too heavy. Like it's not something that's weighing you down. It's not scratchy or uncomfortable. It feels just like a regular Oxford shirt would, although it's 100% merino wool. It fits me great. The buttons are nice quality. All the stitching is nice. It fits me nicely on my arms. The sleeves aren't too long or too loose or too tight. So everything just fits me extremely well right out of the box. So I don't even feel like I would need to get this tailored or anything. And then the button down collar looks really nice. So I could wear it open like this with a shirt underneath. I could wear it closed with the sleeves rolled up as like a short sleeve button down, and that would work if it's too hot out or I'm doing something outdoorsy and I want to look more casual. But then if I'm going to a nice environment, I could always tuck my shirt in, but I'm not going to at this point. I'm just going to show you what it looks like buttoned up and untucked. I would tuck my shirt in if I was in a more formal environment, but I'm not. But I do like the way that this looks even untucked, because button-down collars, I feel like you can wear untucked even though they have like a hem like this. And usually that's a no-go. But for me, I think untucked, this looks really nice with the button down. It gives it that kind of casual feel, casual look. I think this looks really good. And I think this would work great as an outer layer to warm you up on the plane. If you needed a mid layer, if you're going to a super cold winter environment, or if you just were going out to a nice dinner, business meeting, date, and you wanted to look a little bit nicer, you could button this up, tuck it in, and then kind of do a combination of the things we've already mentioned. Wear a watch, don't, whatever. Either way, this is a great 100% merino wool shirt. It feels super comfortable. I think it would work better for something like fall and winter, or like the beginning of spring when it's still a little bit colder, because wearing this in the summer, it could be a little bit heavy, but I think the point of it is to be a heavier weight option. So that really works, and you can just like match it to the weather environment that you're traveling to. So there you have it. There's 4 nice pieces of clothing from Wool&Prince. So if you're interested in merino wool or Wool&Prince products, please use the links in my description below because you can get a little bit of a discount and it helps the channel out a lot. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like these clothing review videos, because I honestly enjoy doing them and it helps me discover brands that I may not have known about before and hopefully share them with you. Thank you as always for watching. And with all that being said, I will definitely see you in the next video. Take care.